Every day we rely on the latest electronic devices. But when we plug them in, it's with the same old power strip. Meet YOUMO, a modular smart power system. Easily snap together different power modules to build a customized power system suited to your specific charging needs.
Hi, I'm Tobias, head designer of YOUMO.
And I'm Cornelius, one of the engineers. Our small team is made up of friends who have several years of experience developing and manufacturing everyday products that offer innovative design solutions. So we came up with a stylish modular multi-power solution that offers greater functionality. Since 2014, we've been developing and testing several prototypes of YOUMO at our design studio in Munich, Germany.
Start with a base cord and snap on a multi-power module. Then customize your YOUMO by adding on more modules. Skip the cables and simply charge wirelessly. Snap on extra USB ports to charge all your portable devices. Snap on the wireless speaker module and listen to music. YOUMO is also interchangeable with international plugs. Switch out the base cord plug when traveling or simply snap in your own YOUMO to a module in another country. Make your life smarter. Communicate with YOUMO with our app to better control and monitor your devices.
Now we are ready to take YOUMO to the next step, but we need your help to do that. Your support will go towards covering the costs of certification, materials and tooling.
After the Kickstarter campaign, YOUMO will continue to grow with the launch of an online shop later this year featuring more power modules currently in development. In return for your support, you can build your own YOUMO from a collection of power modules offered here exclusively on Kickstarter.
With your help, we can make charging your devices more fun and interactive while still keeping them within easy reach.
Join us today and start building your very own YOUMO so we can bring a new kind of power into the future.